So we all know AI has come on leaps and bounds in the last 12 months alone. What with software coming out like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Perplexity, it's easier than ever to launch a thriving and income-generating online business. And that's where automated affiliate marketing comes in. Now, automated affiliate marketing is the first and only automated affiliate marketing system, at least that I've seen, and it's absolutely free, which just blows my mind. So in this automated affiliate marketing review, I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside the free program and look at how it not only just sets your affiliate marketing business up for you, but also how it gives you the tools and the strategies you need to finally start generating those commissions. So yeah, I would say if you're serious about finding a legitimate way to make money online, don't wait. Click that first link in the description, sign up now, and you'll see firsthand what automated affiliate marketing can do for you. Alright, so let's dive in and let's break it all down. So if you click that link in the description, you're going to find yourself on a page that looks a little something like this. So in a nutshell, automated affiliate marketing is a 100% free step-by-step course that's created by an experienced super affiliate called Dale, where you're going to learn how to earn commissions leveraging the power of AI. Here's what it says. It says our free step-by-step and beginner-friendly affiliate marketing course uncovers how you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to generate streams of automated affiliate commissions online. But it gets even better than that. Once you get inside the members area, which I'm going to show you here in a sec, what's really exciting about this is the done for you setup. So you're going to get your logo, keyword research, your website launch, content creation, all done for you. So essentially, automated affiliate marketing is going to do all of the heavy lifting so that you can focus on what matters most, basically growing your income and taking this to 10K a month or more. Alright, so now let me give you a sneak peek inside the members area so you can see exactly what you're getting when you sign up. So sign up is super easy. All you have to do is enter your email there and click get started. So as soon as you create your account, you'll probably land on a page that looks a little something like this. So this is Dale, he's the founder and trainer at Automated Affiliate Marketing. This is the Fast Start training course. So it's basically going to walk you through over the shoulder, step by step, click by click, how to set up your very first affiliate marketing business. And it is designed specifically for beginners. So I would say if you've never done anything like this before, or even if you've tried and failed before, then don't worry, the Fast Start training is going to point you in the right direction. It's going to give you a full understanding of how the process of making money online actually works, which is pretty neat. And I've gone through the whole training, and Dale does a really good job of explaining everything in a really easy to understand and a really easy to follow way. So essentially what you're going to learn as you work your way through the course is how to start earning affiliate marketing commissions by using the power of AI to speed up the learning process and to get you to see those results quicker. Now, affiliate marketing is a completely beginner-friendly and legitimate online business model. It's how I've been making more than a full-time income for more than 2 years now. So if you want to see exactly what affiliate marketing is and how that works, feel free to watch this video and I'll walk you through it. But also the automated affiliate marketing course is going to walk you through that as well, from understanding how the whole process works, choosing a topic, launching a website, and then coming up with a content creation plan, using AI tools to find like winning keywords, and then using leveraging the power of AI for content creation itself, automating like YouTube using powerful AI tools as well, adding affiliate links, finding products to promote. Dale's going to walk you through absolutely all of that. Each lesson also comes with an interactive question and answer area, so if you have any questions along the way, you can just leave a message there and Dale will get straight back to you. It's a really cool little community. I really like it, and there's a few AI tools, free tools like the Niche Finder you'll see up there that you can use as well, so that is pretty cool. It's going to give you a proper understanding and just walk you through it from beginning to end. But this is what I find really exciting. As you go through the training, you're going to be given the opportunity to submit a done for you setup request form, which I think this is really, really cool. Now, here's the form itself. Upon receiving your request, we will get to work on setting up your business in the shortest time possible so that you can enjoy the benefits of an automated affiliate marketing website. So this isn't some kind of cheap software or anything like that. This is where the automated affiliate marketing team is actually going to be setting everything up for you. So they're going to be setting up your logo, going to be giving you keyword research, with basically a content creation strategy to work on. They're going to launch your website for you and all that. So that is just phenomenal, and it's completely free. There's no hidden catches or anything like that. As you can see, it's a very simple form. You can either use affiliate marketing as your niche or choose your own niche. I recommend you choose your own niche. You can enter your niche there, or use the niche finder tool to help you come up with some topic ideas, and then simply submit your request. There it is. You get a logo, keyword research, website launch, also content automation through the AI content creation tools, which is pretty cool. And then essentially you're getting a revenue ready website on your hands, which is very, very cool. So yeah, I just can't believe that this is actually available for free. And I think it's a no-brainer, and you'd be silly not to take advantage of this right now while you still can. Still not convinced? All right, let's quickly run through the pros and cons. So the first thing I would say is the Fast Start training is not a super in-depth course, and it's not really designed to be, it's not meant to be. So as I say, you're going to get 10 lessons ranging from, I don't know, like 5 minutes to 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that. But it's really an affiliate marketing crash course. It's designed to give beginners, as I say, an overall understanding and a solid head start. It's designed to get you up and running quickly, basically. Dale keeps it all very straightforward and to the point, and walks you through it all, and as I say, in a really easy to understand way. So I think that's really good. So this next one is not really a con of the program itself. I would say it's just the reality of starting an online business, and that is, it is going to require some upfront investment on your part, but honestly not that much, and I'll walk you through exactly how much so you know exactly what to expect. So again, you're not going to learn anything to learn the ropes. You're not paying a penny as you go through the course, but there are some AI tools that you're going to need to invest in just to get your business up and running. So first one is A2 hosting. Dale recommends this for domain registration and website hosting. You need a foundation for your online business, and that's going to be your website. You can start with, honestly, start with the $1.95 a month plan for one website, or you might want to go, you're probably going to want to go to the Drive option, where you can host up to 25 websites. As you can see, we're really not talking much here. And the other thing is Blogomatic. So this is the AI content generator that starts at just $19.95 a month. And then there are a few optional ones, like Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is like an all-in-one platform, and it's the biggest community of affiliate marketers on the planet. And if you want to check out my Wealthy Affiliate review, you can do it there and decide for yourself. That's $49 a month. So yeah, if you want to check out my review, you can, but as I say, that is completely optional. And that's really about it. As you can see, with affiliate marketing, you really can make $10,000 a month or more with very little money down. And probably the biggest pro for me, in my mind anyway, when it comes to automated affiliate marketing, is the fact that you're getting a completely free done-for-you setup. Now I can't believe that Dale is making it available for anyone who joins for free. So what this really means is that if you're starting an online business and this is your very first time, it's just going to remove all of the obstacles and hurdles that would, traditionally be standing in your way. It's going to fast track your success and allow you to see results faster than ever before. Honestly, this is that good. So when I started out 10 years ago, I had to figure out how to create my own website, how to navigate WordPress, how to research keywords. I would spend hours sitting at a desk looking at a blank Word document, and have to create all of the content myself. I had to create my own logos, and they weren't very good, to be honest with you. But now with the wonderful tools that we have, the AI tools, like I say, the whole process can be streamlined and more effective and more efficient than ever before. And the last but definitely not least pro, I would say, is remember, this is a 100% free course. I have seen affiliate marketing courses online where you can spend hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars to get access to the same amount of information, easily. And then you still have to set everything up yourself, and that takes a lot of time. You can spend hundreds more on website developers, on keyword researchers, on designers, content creators, that kind of thing. So I really hope you can see the value in this, and this just shows you the real value of what you're getting here at Automated Affiliate Marketing. So what do you think? Honestly, I would say it's a viable option, and you should definitely go for it. So have you tried automated affiliate marketing? Are you going to? Then definitely let us know in the comments. Love to hear from you. And of course, if you have any questions as well, then fire away. Don't forget to click that first link in the description and get started with automated affiliate marketing today. If you're a beginner looking for a strong head start, what the heck are you waiting for?